the roots of this quadratic equation is this are equal. If the roots are equal, then this means that d is 0. D is 0 is, so you got to compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So your b, so d is what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then b square is what? K square. And what is your a, k? And then what is your this 2 equals to 0. Then k minus 8 equals to 0. So there can be two situations wherein k equals to 0 and k equals to 8. Now the situation is when k is 0, then this does not remain a quadratic anymore, right? So 0x squared, 0x. So got to ignore this because this will make it 0. So then 8 will be your answer. 0 also, then this will become not a quadratic, right? So the definition of quadratic equation itself is that a should be 0. X square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c is the element of c, and then a is not equal to 0. So that's the required condition that it should be equal to 0.